Is there a major skills gap in the Palestinian job market? Hello everyone, my name is Hamza from Icon Consulting. In this episode, we're going to explore that question. The economy is full of paradoxes. On one end, candidates are saying there's not enough jobs out there and unemployment is high. On the other end, companies are reporting that there's not enough skilled people that can fill their positions. Now, labor experts describe this paradox as a skills gap and measure it through a skills gap assessment. Now, in this video, we're going to further investigate what a skills gap is, and we're going to touch on some reasons and possible initiatives that can reduce this gap. The term skills gap describes the difference between what skills the employers are looking for and the skills available in the job force, especially with new graduates. So while some employers might believe that schools are failing at providing adequate education, some educators believe that the market is not doing its part to communicate back their needs. So let's explore some reasons for a skills gap from multiple perspectives. Resources available for universities and education centers may not be aligned with the standards of the market. So things like underfunding and conflict-related constraints can prevent the educational sector from expanding necessary educational programs to meet the market needs. But companies can do their part by doing things like sponsoring certain educational programs that relate to their sector or provide internship opportunities. Some companies might complain about a skills gap in the market but are unwilling to pay sufficiently for the skills they need, or they don't do enough to advance their core of employees. Now, while the educational sector is the backbone of the vocational and technical training system, unfair wages and inadequate company training are key factors that do widen the skills gap. Brain drain contributes to the skills gap. Now, the definition of brain drain refers to the situation where a large majority of intelligent, skilled, and capable employees within a country leave for various reasons. Now, these reasons can include lack of high-paying jobs and conflict. Now, unfortunately, studies and general observations have established that many Palestinians have immigrated to look for better opportunities abroad. Because we're living in a fast-moving and constantly advancing world, learned skill sets expire very fast. So as an employee, you cannot rely on your current existing skill sets to take you very far. A university degree is supposed to give you the tools of knowledge, and you're supposed to use those tools to unlock your potential beyond your education. So stay informed and constantly keep learning. The skills gap may be rooted in the primary education. Educational programs need to focus on building children's soft skills and increasing their love for learning. We need to enable their minds to discover knowledge more so than for them to be given the knowledge directly. In conclusion, we can say that reducing the skills gap takes a collective effort from all stakeholders, and it includes taking measures to improve cooperation that builds ongoing educational opportunities, also reducing the corruption and promoting national interest over self-interest. Now, thank you for watching, and see you again next week.